The Meghalaya Board of School Education embos haka santarik jong yayong arhajar arpusan kalapan naik result jong ke examen Secondary School Leaving Certificate SSLC haka
Very good
Bagalesha
morning to
Agarwal
all.
Naksen
Myself,
Margaret's
Lisha
High Secondary
Agarwal, and
School
I am
Shillong
from St.
but
Margaret's
Avila Catherine
Higher
Pilingdo na
Secondary
North
School, and
Liberty
I'm
Higher
very
Secondary School
happy to
Jawai
announce
klio
that
batlang ya kekerdan kebenengkong haka ni kesenam na kebayo lang marsan spa prapu armax. Menta ka kenti gladon lai spa sa pui tili school ke pas chispa nak chispa hakan ke examen bagi jeng pas jeng kena amta kasnem kalau kau cakap prapunyo point iwe not nak chispa. Gladon rupula hajar ndru spa prapu armut kena pulih ke belele ke examen SSLC amta kasnem bat ke pas kidan san pusan hajar sau spa nyu pulai ngut. Gladon arpu ar hajar nyu spa arpun rungut ki kena sendrang bat lai pu ar hajar nyu spa sau punyungut ki kena kentai pas hakan ke examen. La ruman ong babros kata ke embos ke jupun benai ke result kata yo ko bakat do jong jemang ne kata yo ko menin kong jong jelio. Dari mata ke kenti ke lapan bena kloy de ke jingpu ben pelat ki kena ki bak lempas bakin yo biang bene kon ni ke examen session. Ya ke kedan baar la yo dau Ivan Chan Nongrom na Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School Maulai Shillong bat kapuri pande na Jawaharlal Nehru Higher Secondary School Pulbari. Beliau Mar Sanspa Jong Pramax. Haka kerdan kebelai layo daka Anushmita Chaudhary jang St Mary's High Secondary School, Usaraf Pandey jang Alpha English High Secondary School nongpo, bad Yulo Jamin Rilen L Suting naga KGP Sinat Mini High Secondary School Jowai.
a very good morning to all. Myself, Lisha Agarwal, and I am from St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School, and I'm very happy to announce that I've got the first rank, first position in the EMBOS merit list 2025, and it is a very overwhelming moment for me. I mean, I'm still in shock. I couldn't believe my eyes when I submitted my roll number and saw my results. It was a really shocking moment for me. I was like, it's me who got 97. So I told my mom, and we both were just like in surprise for like a moment or two. We were like, is this really? Because since I entered class 10, I always visioned myself that next year I will be giving the exam, and one day the results will come, and I'll see myself in the EMBOS top 20, and that dream coming true is it's something very overwhelming. Even right now, I have been just like tears shown from my eyes from that time, and I'm like, control, this is happening for real. I was telling myself, my heart, my brain is like, this is true. And I want to give all my thanks to my teachers, be it my school teachers and my tuition teachers, because without their support this would never be possible. And even my family, they have supported me through my dark times. I am a very nervous person, so they were there for me, telling me that everything will be fine. All thanks to everyone who were there for me in this journey. It's not a journey of my own, it is a journey of my school teachers, my tuition teachers, me, my friends, my family. So all thanks to them. And St. Margaret's, thank you is not enough for that, how much that school has given me. And the teachers, their teaching, not only in school, they have taught me everything. So all thanks to St. Margaret's, because this wouldn't be possible without them, without the teachers, without our principal. So all thanks to them. I'm really really grateful, and I'm really overwhelmed right now. It's a dream come true, and I'm really really happy. Thank you everyone. And I just want to say, if you vision something, put all your hard work, be concentrated, then you can also achieve. That is my advice to the upcoming batches. You don't need to be scared, you don't need to be nervous. Just take it easy, go with the flow, just be consistent. Consistency is the key, as they always say. So I'll just say that participate in everything. Don't forget extracurricular activities, that is also extremely important. But be consistent, and that is the only way. Take your studies, don't take it as a hectic duty you have to perform. Please just be happy, do whatever you do in a happy way, study nicely, gain knowledge. Don't just memorize things. And yeah, that is the only thing. Thank you so much everyone for your support, for your everything. And I'm really grateful to St. Margaret's, the teachers, my tuition teachers, who really helped me through this journey. Thank you everyone.
Arba kane ka jingjap chunga chika thong kadai na ka jing na ka daw ba ulek ma kadai na kajing sa jung kamera tisti ngai tiru ya kani kajing job junga saya email ipa junga kiba ladon nga hakti hajat ibaya kersian lem yanga nadu bedang red hadu mentah te kajing job junga kadai nakadaw jung kino kai school jung kibi bentebit kat kabakila isen ya i principal bat yaki param kelas kibla kersian lem yanga bat ya baro kibala kersian lem yanga kajing dua jungki bat kibla yarap yanga keniat kensai kat kabakila isen ngaklem kemi lenti ben yo ekne kerdan ngasyu dua be yo blay ai ba result junga kan long ka ba ngale be kat ke bala te kum taking ngasyu ngam klem kerman hira ngasyu ngam klem dur bengan yo ekne kerdan te ngai ti yo blay kata ka buram baro man la kasni ngakre nyau kenta la dangala handai la dangam la haka halasai kasni pat ngan bersyang man pendap ya ke bangala i no tama la kasni nadu pas sedang uslam hadup menakut yai minop kadai kajing minot hi bat kajing duai ke ba yarap yang ngaban push kan ka thong kamu ba ngaklem penon kam penon kam tang kendiat kensaj sibuk ban yaki bangam sengutu na kino kai tang kita hi ngaklem penon kam kamu ba fun ya mentah ka lentia cunga kalong da ublay ibit yang aku ban long riunang kani baro kadai kajing lek jung blay kayeng kasem junga kadap de kajing kerku namar kajing lek jung te kumtahi ngihapan penpa kajing ngungu bat pi hakin ki por menta kajing seni kidang kontroy te ngarup ngaku ban lek yela ka kam kajam ban yarap ikibriu ban kring ikibriu sha ublay kajing pule jungi kalong kum kamarathon ngimla ban jam syaka bakut hashi jam ini ban yat step suki man la kasni man la ka jingya henrei kajing tumu kade henrei ngidai ban dan ka jabing jungi ngidai ban penkut ban ngidai ban yat halak kat bela
bau kun bak le ma te untai kum kun bak kren kong hi ai ka burom soble baladon rangkat bat kayeng kesem jungi bat kun jungu hak jeng bekre jungu ka exam baladon be pedeng ta kamet pun kaya ulaan pule kot ba bat kunju ru kadi jeng bekre jungu jeng tristom jungu bat lem bat kun kai jungu kata hi ka burom ko ya ar ni tena liang kun pa ka bak kun ba ka ndak on ji kan